You've been injured. You've lost a loved one. It wasn't your fault. You deserve justice. The American legal system is no place to be alone at a time like this. You need a professional to help you navigate these halls of justice. The law offices of Ellsley Sobol, personal injury attorneys, ready to stand by your side through this troubling time.
Scott and I started this law firm because we wanted to do something a little bit different than what we had seen was out there. We wanted to give the client personal attention, and in doing so, we have made personal attention the hallmark of our practice.
Rick Ellsley and Scott Sobol have more than 2 decades combined experience working tirelessly on behalf of those whose lives have been changed because somebody else was negligent. They've handled thousands of cases and recovered millions of dollars for their clients.
Through our hard work and dedication, we've been able to convince the insurance companies to see things our way.
The Ellsley Sobol Law Firm is in Plantation, Florida, just off 595 at Pine Island Road, serving all of South Florida. The firm handles all types of civil cases, including personal injury, slip and fall, automotive, motorcycle and boating accidents, dangerous products, plane crashes, insurance disputes, elder abuse, medical malpractice, and wrongful death.
A lot of our business comes from referrals, and that makes us feel good to know that we've done well enough for a client that they have the confidence to tell their friends and family about the work we've done for them in the past.
Crashing into a desolate area in western Broward County.
The law firm's attorneys have taken several high-profile civil cases, which have been featured in local newscasts and other media outlets.
We have never been intimidated by a big corporation. We don't back down. I've sued local governments, state governments, and I've sued the federal government. In addition, we've taken on multinational corporations.
Mr. Ellsley is a board-certified civil trial lawyer. That's an important distinction among attorneys. There are more than 90,000 lawyers licensed to practice in the state of Florida, but fewer than 2,000 are board-certified in civil trial law. He's a past president of the Broward County Justice Association and one of the select trial lawyers in the country who've achieved 1 or more verdicts or settlements in excess of $2 million for an individual client. Fewer than 1% of all attorneys in the United States are members of this distinguished group. But for Mr. Ellsley, he prefers to focus on the people he represents.
It is extremely rewarding for me personally to be able to provide a client with a future. When a client comes to us and they're out of work and they've been told by their physicians that they can never work again, I take that personally.
It's a passion he shares with firm co-founder Scott Sobol. Mr. Sobol's been protecting the rights of Floridians for more than 10 years. He's an Eagle member of the Florida Justice Association and has served on their legislative task force. He's also a member of the American Association for Justice. Scott has been named to the prestigious Top 40 Under 40 by the National Trial Lawyers Organization, a professional group comprised of America's top young attorneys. Mr. Sobol's been trusted by thousands of clients and their families during his career, and he's built a reputation as a hard-working, dedicated attorney who takes a personal interest in his cases.
Over the years, I've come to realize that my clients like to speak to their lawyer, not just between the hours of 9 and 5. Therefore, I give them direct access to me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Ellsley Sobol, good afternoon.
That kind of personal attention is important when you're dealing with a personal tragedy, knowing that you've got someone looking out for your best interest. And the law firm's services don't cost you a dime up front. They get paid only if they're successful in getting you the compensation you deserve in the form of a settlement or verdict.
I believe that our success as a law firm has come because we're committed to our clients, we're committed to the case, and we're committed to proving what was right. It's not always easy, it's not always quick, and it's not always cheap, but we get the job done.
The road through the civil justice system is often long and filled with turns you shouldn't take alone. The Ellsley Sobol Law Firm knows the path to justice and stands ready to get you the help and compensation you deserve.
We have the experience, we have the dedication, and we have the commitment to the case to get it done.